to the shop to finish the body work on the Foxbody so I can paint it tomorrow and then start taking apart the interior, and hopefully the car will be ready for the show on June 1st. So stay tuned. Got baby girl with me. Modified chicks. Alright, y'all, at the shop. Rain. It's been raining since last night, but it's supposed to rain the whole day. It's kind of stopped now, but plan is to kind of lock myself in 24 hours, get this car somewhat ready, I guess, for the annual show June 1st. It's not going to be completely done. I mean, I don't think a project car is ever completely done, but my goal is to have the car at least decent to be seen in public. So between this weekend and next weekend, I'm gonna be finishing the body work, finishing paint. So finishing the body work, painting the car, and then I'm taking apart the interior. I'm going to check the floorboards for any rust. If so, I'm gonna sand it down. Hopefully it's just surface rust. I'm thinking it is based on the undercarriage that we did last month. But sand it down. I'm gonna put the POR 15, POR 15, whatever you pronounce that crap, on the car. Then I got new carpet to lay down. I also got some temporary seats because the seats that I want are custom and they're not gonna be here for the show June 1st. So I bought some temporary seats because I just can't do the seats that are in there. They're dirty, driver's side's ripped up. I may reupholster it down the line. I don't really know yet, but replace the seats. I got some ultra clear headlights that I'm gonna put on. I want to find some smoked tail lights to put on. I don't want them too dark, so I haven't found anything exactly that I like, but I'm gonna put those on. And I think that's it for June 1st. After the show, obviously I'm gonna do the 5-lug conversion and then get new wheels and new tires. I'm gonna be upgrading the suspension, and a couple other things. So stay tuned. I got a lot that I'm doing with the Foxbody, but I got a lot of work that I'm doing this weekend and next weekend to get the car ready for June 1st. And yeah, stay tuned. Modified Chicks TV. Y'all know what time it is. Hit the like button. Make sure y'all subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified, because I'm back and I plan on having more content for the channel between me and all of our ambassadors and executives worldwide. We plan on coming through with the content, but stay tuned, y'all. I got y'all. Just opened up the carpet. I'll lay it out for a little bit. Excited to go from this dirtiness to this clean. So stay tuned. seatbelts off. We're using a P50 torque. I think it's a 1620 thread. Some of this stuff is tight on here, so I've been having to like loosen it manually and then use the power tools. Stunts, because manually I gotta use my non-existent muscle. So back in the day, I used to use cardboard and like poke my bolts in, but I can't be the only person who uses sandwich bags and writes the bolts. So these are my seat bracket and my seat belt bolts. So I can keep up with the bolts. Sometimes you gotta watch a little YouTube University. Shout out to LMR Late Model Restoration for the videos, because taking the center console out. So I pop these off, and then I'm gonna remove the bolts in there. Shout out to Breezy for coming to help me. We're gonna get this interior out. I told her when she pulled up I was putting her to work, because I gotta get this done by the show. Say hi, Breezy.
What up, y'all?
You're fine. You gotta manually loosen it and then do it. So start. Come look. Come look.
Huh? Huh? Let's go, 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 go. June 1st and quick. Go, 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 go.
Oh, child. Can you pull it your way? Oh, it's not bad at all, actually. Not bad.